Trending on Procyon radio and television. I am Sarah Agbon, MKO All-Rounder. Welcome to Trending today.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for joining us. CBN sets daily withdrawal limit on POS. Fear and tension mounts as Sheyi Tinubu's 2027 governorship ambition shakes Lagos political cycle. CBN sets daily withdrawal limit on POS. The Central Bank of Nigeria has imposed a daily withdrawal limit of 100,000 naira on Nigerians using the point of sale service to withdraw cash. The bank also restricted POS to cash out 1.2 million naira daily. However, bill to ban use of dollars, foreign currencies in Nigeria passes first reading at Senate. MKO.
Kudos to Central Bank of Nigeria for imposing a daily withdrawal of 100,000 naira on the port of sales and the POS. We collect 1.2 million daily from the bank. Is good for the cashless policy to revamp the economic of Nigeria. The central bank has to control the money in the circulation, and for them to be able to control the money in the circulation, they have to give the limit to the POS and individuals. We don't have anything to say about or anything to do about the policy of the central bank, because they are the one that can control our money. They are the one who print the money, and we have to follow them with their policy. But when people go to a commercial bank, they will talk about the network failure. They don't have a network, and when you want to transfer money, you understand, this thing is seriously be a problem of the business people. Because when the bank is telling you cannot transfer, and when you go to bank, you know your limit is 100,000 naira to bring out in cash, and if you want to transfer more than that 100,000 naira, they say you should transfer. And when you want to transfer, your bank you are using, say they don't have network, they don't have that's the problem.
Sometimes apart from they don't have network, they can debit you, and then they will not reverse
all this problem. We have to outgrow this problem. So if the central bank is controlling how we withdraw the money and the POS or whatever, they should make it mandatory for the commercial bank, for their network, to improve this network. This network is not something from the spiritual that we pray for. It's technology. They should pay money and bring out good technology. If it is power that is disturbing them, if it is equipment, let them do it. You understand? For the day-to-day running of the business, that will enhance the growth of the services we render to the people. And secondly, kudos to the Senate for the first reading of the ban on dollars. Imagine. In Nigeria, you go to some supermarkets and they will ask for dollars. You don't have to be like that. This is our legal tender in Nigeria is naira. You cannot go to any other country and the dollar will be and the naira will be accepted in the US, or even in this Cotonou or in the JDA. You can't use a naira there. You understand? Why are we using dollar here? Why are we using dollar? Why are we selling dollars? So we have to ban it, because if you don't use your money, you understand, it will devalue your money. Yeah. So if a Oyibo come to Nigeria, let them use the naira for our goods and services here. Use our naira to give value to our naira.
Thank you. Fear and tension mounts as Sheyi Tinubu's 2027 governorship ambition shakes Lagos political cycle. The reported governorship ambition of Sheyi Tinubu, son of President Bola Tinubu, has unsettled key political figures in Lagos State, sparking tension and confusion among prominent aspirants ahead of the 2027 election. Those allegedly feeling the heat include Chief of Staff to the President Femi Gbajabiamila, Principal Staff Secretary Hakeem Muri Okunola, and Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, Mudashiru Obasa. Thank you.
We are keep talking of a 2027 election. We are in 2024. Why are we talking about election?
We need to prepare ahead.
We don't need to prepare election. Election is not our problem here. We should be talking about economy. How to go about our economy, to improve the economy. If government is not doing something right about the economy, then we speak it out. Not to be talking about election now. We are still in 2024, for Christ's sake. Now we are moving to 2025. You are talking of election of 2027. Abba, please, we should not just be please. Let's just be a serious person in Nigeria.
All right.
Let us not follow all these politicians, because if you are following the politician, their business is politics. Immediately they won the election, they'll be thinking about the next election. They don't think about you. So we as a person of Nigeria, we should be thinking of ourselves. Understand? We be thinking about what is not good, what to advise the president or the governor about what is going on in our society, in the country.
To stop distraction. Because most of them are with the president.
They are with president. It's disruption. And this one they are talking in Lagos State, that Sheyi Tinubu. What is Sheyi Tinubu? It's a right of Sheyi Tinubu is qualified to rule Lagos State.
All right.
Thank you. This Gbajabi Amila, Gbajabi Speaker, Gbajabi all these things, that is their ambition is to rule Lagos. And now Sheyi Tinubu also is qualified. They too, they are qualified. So we don't concern about that one. What we concern now is about the economic of Nigeria.
Thank you, MQ, for coming to Trending.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our YouTube channel, Procyon RTV. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Agbo. Keep shining like the star you are.